How to add someone to close friends list on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go to your desktop. The next thing that you want to do is to tap on facebook.com, and then it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Where you'll see your feed area here. Tap on find friends there. Here it will look like this, but it's either you can see find friends or friends there, or you can go to your see all or see all there and just tap on friends. Basically it will lead you here. Now the next thing that you want to do is to be able to add someone to your close friends is to actually go here to custom list. There's option here, you'll see home, friends request, suggestions, all friends birthdays, and custom list. Tap on custom list here and tap on close friends, and then add friends here. So, and then you can now add friends, your close friends here. Now here it will give you a list of your friends, and just choose them and add them to your list here. And basically that is how you add someone to close friends list on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.